Is acrylic paint suitable for washable fabric?
Hello and welcome to our discussion today on acrylic paint and washable fabric. We're going to delve into whether these two materials work well together. It's an important question for artists, DIY enthusiasts, and crafters.
What is acrylic paint?
Firstly, let's understand what acrylic paint is. Acrylic paint is a popular type of paint used in various forms of artwork. It's known for its bright colors, versatility, and quick drying time. Made from pigments suspended in an acrylic polymer emulsion, this type of paint is water-soluble, but it becomes water-resistant when dry.
Is acrylic paint suitable for fabric?
Moving on to our main question, is acrylic paint suitable for fabric? The simple answer is yes, but with some reservations. While acrylic paint can adhere to fabric, it's not designed for such a purpose. Thus, if you paint acrylic directly onto fabric, it can end up stiff, crack, or peel off over time, especially after washing.
How to make acrylic paint suitable for washable fabric?
If you still wish to use acrylic paint on washable fabric, there's a solution. You can use a product called a fabric medium. When mixed with acrylic paint, a fabric medium improves the paint's durability, makes it more flexible, and reduces stiffness. It also makes the paint less likely to crack or peel off after washing. Remember, even with a fabric medium, you should always test your paint on a small, hidden piece of fabric before applying it to your main project.
How to care for acrylic paint on fabric?
After painting, allow the fabric to dry for at least 24 hours before washing. When washing, turn the garment inside out and use a gentle cycle with cold water. Avoid using a dryer. Instead, air dry the fabric to ensure the longevity of the paint. So, to wrap up, while acrylic paint is not specifically designed for fabric, it can still be used with the help of a fabric medium. Always take care when washing fabric painted with acrylic to ensure it lasts. We hope this video has been helpful and encourages you to explore the colorful world of acrylic paint on fabric. Happy painting!